There was a division bench order.
হ্যাঁ
Division bench had refused to entertain. No. I am not. No, let me finish. I'm the petitioner.
ও সকাল থেকে হয়ে যাচ্ছে ওই একই অর্ডার
May I just say, order which is there? May I just? I'm the petitioner. Let me have 1 minute. Sir.
just 1 minute how many matters are there like this which is the other matter
92, 96, 96, and 100.
96 you are appearing 96 who is appearing for the statute
96. I'm for the state.
ওই একই অর্ডার হবে 92 and 96 একই অর্ডার হবে আর প্যারাগ্রাফ 6 of জাস্টিস পল
One more. দাদা একটুখানি বলে নি I am not. My interest is not as far as what the division bench has said. It is there. Your lordship has seen it. I am only interested in one portion. If your lordship takes it, I think it's flagged page 55. I'm looking at my interest because I am the business community. But if your lordship kindly comes to since the police will the paragraph beginning after the first two lines, in case there is any assembly of persons which disturb the business of the present petitioner and or affected persons,
but that has been taken care of by the division bench.
No, that is. I am only this portion. The persons carrying out business. That portion is not there. That is the only portion I'm asking.
So over here,
yes.
Come to paragraph 6.
No, we're not talking about the prohibitory orders.
No,
where
not prohibitory orders.
No. As noted above, it is open to the government to implement the said prohibitory orders in accordance with law and inform the organizer about adequate. I am not on all this.
So while not granting
interim leave, as I say, they are inclined to observe that it be lawful for the persons participating in the protest to peacefully and not cause any harm to the police or government authorities or public properties. I am only saying my commercial establishment.
So everything, how can I deviate now since our blanket order has passed?
I was not before the appeal court.
Maybe.
But I am only asking for this portion. I am only asking for this portion. You should kindly see. In case there is an assembly of persons.
Page 41 of the question. Lordship kindly clarify that.
In case there is any assembly of persons.
No, that was a different situation.
41.
41.
It is there blood posted in everywhere and the term blood different type of Jomai.
This was before the division bench also. So how can
Again, we are not actually we have no problem. From Sandragachi, Dorina process. We will not we are not taking it. But Munditala or something that you are not going to kindly do that.
No, division bench has permitted that.
Yes. No.
Division bench, there are different options have been given by the division bench, which includes Munditala. How can I deviate from it?
Not deviate. I am only.
My God.
There are places referred to over here, sir.
No, আমি সুজন বল দেখাচ্ছি তুমি তো ভেন্ডর হ্যাঁ ভেন্ডর
Over here, come to paragraph 3. Mondittola bus stand, Howrah Moidan. No, the Mondittola bus station is
Howrah Moidan.
Along with, I am reading from the paragraph, sir, paragraph 3. আমি কি করব division bench order দিয়ে দিলে?
May I say this? I did not interrupt you.
I can't do anything, sir.
Your lordship's order has not been brought.
How can I say I have got to have a semblance with the
judicial discipline? I know, but lordship kindly consider your lordship's order is there in earlier occasion.
I understand that, but over here, an order has been in past which covers everything generally. Now to deviate from a will be violating. You did not say division.
Lordship can draw. I am drawing.
No, I am
attention.
This is the last day I am taking the matter. These matters from Monday I will not be taking up. Because see, I have got to balance between the stake of the individual. There is no individual interest in each of the cases. There is a public interest involved. I was taking.
I'm only businessman.
More than one. All the matters will be taken up by the division bench.
Your lordship kindly not it will become infraction. I am only requesting your lordship see this 3 line.
I am directing, sir. I cannot. I will direct that the observations of the honorable division bench
will not take up this posters. Their Jomayat is crossing Dorina crossing and
sir over there.
This was not in the blood before.
You should have taken up that before the division bench. How can I now deviate from the division bench order? Sir, this particular issue.
Taking their documents.
Their documents were before the division bench also.
No.
How can I say that? Because it is the same group of persons. So the petitioner is different,
yes.
But the issue was same. Regarding this objection and or something scheduled to be held on 9th of August. So I have got no issues. This has been dealt with. You had the occasion to oppose that in any manner, whatever objections you were supposed to. Now the division bench has given in an order which balances both protest as well as the interest of the individuals. It has not touched the prohibitory orders also, to my reading.
Yes, absolutely.
No, but I'm operating in 96.
That
Prohibitory order, how much it can be affected,
Yeah.
that has also been accentuated by the Honorable Division Bench. That is very important aspect of the
Yes, sir. I am only
order.
saying that your Lordship kindly consider.
Internal page 5
Last year
onwards.
also.
I'm sure Mr. Banerjee has placed it. Kindly takes internal page 5.
Yes, I'm on that only.
Yes, as noted. Yes, as noted above, the police has already issued prohibitory order and it will be open for the government to implement the said prohibitory order in accordance with law and inform the organizers about adequate alternative place
So
of
that is why I'm
protest.
not.
Therefore, my lord, if there is a prohibition in a particular place and I, as the administrator of law and order, I have an alternative place to offer for them. Let everyone go there.
That is why I am not touching that, sir. I am only directing the state. They have a grievance that the directions of the division bench, which has been observed in paragraph 6.
I also, your Lordship, kindly.
Your lordship is taking
This
notice
does
of
not
this
take
fact.
my
Your lordship is taking notice of a proposed rally on 9th August. But today there is no application before me. But I am saying that if anyone wants to agitate, go and agitate at RR Avenue.
No, they have
But
come,
do not flout the prohibitory orders, which also means
they have
flouting
come up with
division
an
bench
application so that their business is
But
not
this-
disturbed.
in RR Avenue, his business is not there.
Nah,
So let anyone who wants to agitate go to RR Avenue.
Yes.
No one's
I
business
cannot
is there.
say that. How can I say that, sir?
Because no.
I will not enter
I'll
into
tell
that.
you
Your Lordship, these 4 lines, your Lordship.
I'll tell your lordship how. I'll tell you
Your
how.
Lordship provides me.
It says that the organizers about adequate alternative place of protest. I'm doing that. I'm exercising that liberty.
So I am only observing to the extent that this paragraph of the division bench order in WPA. Morning I have done the same also. Be adhered to by the state authorities.
So only thing in my business. My
How can I?
May I just say this?
To that, I'm adding my instructions that this alternative we have determined to be RR Avenue.
That is whatever it is, sir. I am not entering because
Otherwise, there will be no public knowledge. They will all be flouting the division bench's order.
the division bench has given you alternative also. In paragraph 3
Let us
also.
assume this situation.
Paragraph 3 is also there. Paragraph 6 is also there.
But we'll have to believe that after recording paragraph 3, the court's observation in paragraph 6.
Yes.
That in 3, perhaps your lordship is referring to the government properties were destroyed, and in this backdrop, it is better if the protest takes place in an alternative place decided as per the policy dated 31st July 2015. Is the submission?
Yes.
So the division bench does not say at the finally that this is the alternative place. It has been left to the police. The police is saying that let anyone who wants to agitate.
I am not on that. He has got a very restricted prayer. His prayer is
This is-
carry on business.
that's all. That much I agree. Much grants me
No difficulty in other avenue. His business will be protected.
ঠিক আছে.
At this point.
I'm saying they are not allowing anything. How can I say that? According to
I don't know about them.
and there is no application to take because they are state. I cannot ignore the state when
Submission that in Haramadan no rally will be permitted.
Today there is an application also. But
No,
still we are saying
then it will be recorded that no, nothing will be held in Haramadan.
No application also. No application.
Only one thing, Malad.
Who are you appearing for?
Appearing for the respondent number 10A and 10B, item number 92.
They have said they are not organizing anything.
Yes, we are not. We have been
No,
impeded.
if my learned friend says, please record it because last time photograph I have brought. No vision. In the name of student, my learned friend was there.
So what? So what? So what?
This is the
So what?
In result,
this is the result.
That it does not exclude me from being there.
no, it was a students' rally. It was a proposed students' rally.
Kindly consider this, my lord, call has been given by the parents who have lost their topics, and the call has been given to all citizens all throughout the state of West Bengal. I am not a person who resides outside the state of West Bengal. My lord, these are all.
What are you wanting? I don't know.
What I am saying before your lordship is, my lord, this 10A and 10B, this private respondents, they have been included as a party. Now, what was calling from the state before the honorable division bench, they are trying to restrict the numbers. We are not at all sure about how many persons is going to come, how many persons is going to join the rally.
10A, 10B. My learned me to. Yes.
ফালতু টার্মিনাল শেষ করতে পারবেন এটা আজই আপলোড করতে হবে
They have not also applied.
Well, 3 lines.
I have considered
Today no application for permission.
I have considered the contents of the present in contentions of the present in petitioner that
96.
they are anxious, their anxiety for carrying on their trade or business at Howrah Maidan, at the Howrah Maidan,
This one is Haramadan.
at Howrah Maidan area. Having considered the observations of the Honorable Division Bench in WPAP number 311 of 2025, dated 7/8/2025, I am of the view that the state, I'm not quoting anything. I am of the view that the state would strictly adhere to the directions passed in the
But my commercial interest, my right to carry on,
that is already
my right to carry on the business is not there.
it is stated over there. It will be
Government
lawful.
property.
Malad, not only state, but the protesters will also avoid it.
That is what I'm on. It will be lawful for the persons participating in the protest to protest peacefully as law-abiding citizen and not cause any harm to the police or government. Or it
That is why my commercial.
building, public properties, everything has been included over here, sir.
Would your lordship just clarify that much, please?
This is over here.
This is a small one line, my lord. I'm sorry for troubling your lordship.
না না এটা তো দেওয়াই উচিত হবে না একদম এটা ডিভিশন বেঞ্চ অর্ডার দিয়ে দিয়েছে তারপরে এটা দেওয়াটা ঠিকই
Because I was never before the, and this was never an issue before the division bench. That's why there's no embargo on your
it
lordship.
has covered everything sir it has covered everything
With greatest respect, they will say no.
Record that, record that.
Or your lordship says that that includes all commercial properties. That your lordship says I don't have a problem.
আচ্ছা to that effect এই প্যারাগ্রাফটা টুকে দেবে to that effect paragraph 6 of the
Sir, brought to the notice of the division bench.
No.
that effect paragraph
That's what to the notice.
paragraph 6 of this is quoted below I'm asking the police to adhere to that I'm just quoting paragraph 6 এই paragraph 6 মানে এটা সকালে তুমি করেছিলে ওসি করে এইটা পেজ নাম্বার 5 এ যে প্যারাগ্রাফ এটা দুটো প্যারাগ্রাফ 6 হয়ে গেছে এখানে paragraph 6 of the honorable divisions in honorable division is order is quoted below.
There's no application. Only one line. We have not received any application till now.
State submits the ad no application till the 8 has been received. However, the same contention was advanced before the honorable division bench, and the same was contested, and observations to that extent has already
And
been
kindly
raised
record
with
the submissions. We are no one. We are given the reply. We are no one of this.
considered by the honorable division. You are
We are not the organizers of the rally. 10A and 10B.
10A and 10B is who actually?
Earlier organizers.
We have been implicated since earlier we were there. We were implicated.
কোথায়
10A and 10B. Item number.
Oh.
No. Social media posts were in their name.
Acha, Mr. Bagji appearing on behalf of the respondent number 10 small a and 10 small b. Submits the ad.
We are not the organizers.
They are not involved with the protest of the rally, which has been alleged. And as such, do not have any contentions to advance in spite of being served with notice. গেল আর কিছু দেবো না এইসব ডিভিশন বেঞ্চে সোমবার থেকে পাঠিয়ে দেবো এই লাস্ট আজকে দিন হয়ে গেল কিছু মামলা কমে যাবে
Commercial word your lordship not use. Just one word commercial.
division bench has taken care of that with the effort
Public property, it says. When my shops,
government buildings property public
my shops don't come under public property. That is why I'm saying only that much. Your lordship uses the word, adds the word public properties.
public is there
No, public. I'm saying commercial. Commercial is not public property. My business.
buildings are there over here the intention of the court was definitely to protect the individuals
That is the only thing. If you
government authorities buildings etc is অনেক কিছু দেওয়া আছে
the word commercial properties is not there. That's the only word.
যে ওইখানটা এ দিয়ে দাও সিন্স দ্য পিটিশনার ওই যেখানটা ওই 6টা শেষ হবে না পিটিশনার is that since specifically commercial properties have not been incorporated within the directions the police authority is maybe directed to protect the interest of the petitioners so far as their trade or business is concerned
Kindly one line.
in view of the spirit of the order of the division honorable division bench
I'm grateful.
police authority would also ensure that that the no I am saying commercial activity they have trade they don't have
চলো তোমাকে নিয়ে যাও সবাই
আমাদের commercial
that
activity বন্ধ
that the operation
বন্ধ
that the operation
আমাদের কাছে
that the operation of the trade and business of the petitioner and or in the vicinity is not jeopardized চলো ওই প্রাইভেটটা দিয়ে দেবে দেখে তারপর গাইড করবো না
কথা শুনি
আর এটা কোথাকার with this 96 is which area
96 করে এই যে
you are party 96 yes 96 of which area ওই একই out of
হ্যাঁ
এগুলো একসাথে
Oh, this is
ফল
40 Metro Bazaar.
এদিকে আসবে নাকি
Yes, that was this area also.
আসবে কি খবর
They will go from this side to that side. Too.
হ্যাঁ
Again.
No, dispose of.
ডিসপোজ অফ দিস
This was
আর কি এগুলো
আরেকটা
এই আরেকটা ওই এরিয়াটা মেছুয়া বাজার ওই একই ওর কাছে নিয়ে নেবেন 96.
96. 96 covered by this order.
96 area is Mahatma Gandhi Road, Rebon Road, Chittaranjan Avenue.
Which market? This person?
Jodashako is the PS is the party here. But for the Calcutta limb of it, as I was submitting, RR Avenue has been designated as that alternative spot as required under paragraph 6.
The business properties are not being disturbed. That is the obligation.
So this is the same thing area wise.
ওইটা যেটা আছে না এখান থেকে দেখবে the petitioner happens to be Calcutta এটা first paragraph তুমি দুটো নিয়ে নেবে নাকি the একই কাট পেস্ট
Page 7, paragraph 15.
the petitioner number 1 is Calcutta Fruit Merchants Association and the petitioner number 2 is General Secretary of the CAA Association which carries on business at which paragraph Mr. Banerjee?
Sorry, page 7, paragraph 15.
Which carries on business in the vicinity of এখান থেকে দেখে নেবে paragraph page 7
Mahatma Gandhi Road, Chittaranjan Avenue.
Chittaranjan Avenue and are and have expressed the anxiety and agony বলে যেটা first paragraph এ দেওয়া আছে করে দিই
That line remains same that no, we have not received any application. But kindly in my submission that we have designated RR Avenue as the appropriate space. Because these orders are closely followed.
Come up with an application, sir. I will definitely come.
Matter will become infructuous tomorrow.
Huh?
Matter will become infructuous tomorrow. It is for tomorrow in compliance.
Come, I'm there till 8 o'clock.
In compliance of
assignment, come. আমি আর এই মামলা নেবো না
paragraph 6 gives us the liberty to find an alternative spot, suggest an alternative spot.
That has been granted by the division bench.
Yes, but it has to come in the knowledge of people. These orders are closely followed, my lord. If my submission is recorded, it will be in public knowledge that this is the designated spot as far as Kolkata is concerned.
How can
if person may adhere, person may not adhere. If the person does not adhere the prohibitory orders, my law will take its own course. As
the law will, that is,
the designated spot has to be known to the public.
But that by way of an application.
Then kindly gives me liberty. Kindly gives me liberty to the state authorities to inform the designated spot publicly. That liberty may be given to me. I will publish it in my website.
That as a law enforcing agency, you have a right to do.
Yes, kindly gives me that liberty because these matters. If the matter was
what liberty?
Suppose the matter would not have reached today. Then I would have done it anyway. But since the matter is before your lordship, if I do it without your lordship knowledge, it will be overreaching this court's jurisdiction.
But the tenor of the division bench order permits you to do everything.
Everything. And suggest an alternative spot. Then only manner that liberty is be reserved for me to publish it. Your lordship may not record it in the order, that place. But liberty may be as appropriate submission, but liberty may be given to me to publish it.
This is not a matter when the lordship is granting permission.
If my learned, with the deepest of respect to my learned friend Malad, he says that his clients are not applicants, so he cannot stand in the way.
See,
he is not here for a public cause.
We are not barred from participating.
He may participate. Where the organizers will organize, he will participate. Participants cannot have a choice.
No, the question is that the minority is not.
He is making submissions like an organizer, but saying that I am not an organizer. Either he is an organizer or participant. If he is participant in my program, I will decide what the program is.
So that the division bench has granted you the powers, sir.
Correct. I bow down to that. But Malad, as far as this phrase of alternative place of protest, this is RR Avenue. We have determined after the order, Malad, apropos to the order of the Honorable Division Bench. And your lordship knows, Malad, better than all of us, Malad, that these orders are extremely closely followed and people go by these directions.
May I say this, had the state been agreed by it, the order was uploaded yesterday.
I am not agreed by it. In furtherance, he is not an applicant.
No, I say this, Malad, as an officer of the court, because this
he has not been called upon to say as an amicus curiae.
Not an amicus.
Then there are 100 officers of the court, everyone will speak.
State should have come up with an application.
It is not required.
The uploaded yesterday.
It is in furtherance of this order. It is not required. I am not agreed by this order. Why will I prefer an appeal as my learned friend is suggesting? I am saying, Malad,
The requirement.
Malad, your lordship may record my submission that RR Avenue is the designated spot. Then any petitioner, like my learned senior's client, who are businessmen, they will know that their part of the road has been left free. There won't be any grievance. Or Malad, kindly reserve the liberty for me to publish it publicly. That the police authorities have
the liberty. Why should I give that? I don't understand.
But had the matter not been come before your lordship, it would have been a different thing altogether. But since your lordship, this matter has come before your lordship, it becomes my bounden duty to seek for this liberty. Otherwise, I'll tell your lordship, the consequences of it is that when the matter was before your lordship, why did the state not say there was an alternative place? This is the problem. This is where the stumbling block lies. If the matter was not there, if your lordship had risen at 3:30 like all other courts, matter would have ended. I would have published it.
I'm rising now. I have other issues.
But since my lord has taken up the matter, but tomorrow this problem, kindly visualize this. They will come up and say, this petitioner will come up and say, if there was an alternative place, why did the state not make it clear? Why was I put through this agony? of my business being at the whims and fancies of these protesters. But otherwise, I would not have made this request. But at least as a part of my submission, kindly records it that we are taking.
Part of your submission
Part of my submission. But I don't require this.
এটা লিখে দেবে ওনার স্টেটে যেখানে সাবমিশন ওইখানটাই ঢুকিয়ে দেবে এটা মিস্টার বন্দ্যোপাধ্যায় রানী সিনিয়র স্ট্যান্ডিং ইন কাউন্সিল সাবমিটস দ্যাট they have already uploaded or they have
No, we are RR Avenue as the alternative place for protest.
this appearing
For tomorrow.
submits that
For tomorrow.
they have designated aid
Rani Rajmani Avenue
as
an
designated aid
alternative place for protest.
as designated
Alternative place for protest. There's a language alternative place for
alternative
protest.
place for
Protest for 9th of August.
on 9th of August. Be that as it may, since the issue is not before this court, and the concern of the petitioner is in respect of the business associations concerned, this court will investigate its finding so far as the interest of the associations in consonance with the observations made by the Honorable Division.
Great. And the other portion, the order of the earlier matter also stands. What বাকিটা তো একই আছে।
মধ্যখানে স্টেট যেখানটা বলছে দুটোতেই আর কি
That is 102.
102, I'm bringing for the statement. I have some additional submissions.
who is
This one is